In this video, we will discuss the rules of signs in polynomials. So let's let f of x equal a sub n times x sub n plus a sub n minus 1 times x sub n minus 1, all the way up to a sub 1 times x plus a sub 0, be a polynomial with real coefficients. So there are two items when it comes to the rule of signs. The first item is the number of positive real zeros of f is either a, the same as the number of sign changes of f of x, or b, less than the number of sign changes of f of x by a positive even integer if f of x has only one variation in sign, then f has exactly one positive real zero. The next part to this deals with the number of negative real zeros of f, which is either a, the same as the number of sign changes of f of negative x, or b, less than the number of sign changes of f of negative x by a positive even integer. If f of negative x has only one variation in sign, then f has exactly one negative real zero. So let's look at some examples. The first example, f of x equals 3x to the 7th minus 2x to the 5th minus x to the 4th plus 7x squared plus x minus 3. So this 3 here is positive, but the 2 is negative, so that's a sign change. This x to the 4th here is negative, but 7 is a positive, so again, that's another sign change. This x is a positive, but 3 is a negative, so that's a sign change. So for this example here, f of x equals 3x to the 7th minus 2x to the 5th minus x to the 4th plus 7x squared plus x minus 3 has 3 sign changes, which means there are 3 positive real zeros, or you take the number of sign changes, 3, and you subtract a positive even integer, which would be 2. So 3 minus 2 is 1. So you can have 3 positive real zeros or 1 positive real zero. The next example, we change from a positive to a negative, and then a negative to a positive. So that's 2 positive real zeros, or 2 minus 2, which is 0 positive real zeros. The next one, we go from negative 5 to positive, so that's 1 sign change. So there is 1 positive real zero. Now let's look at another example. f of x equals x cubed plus 2x squared plus 5x plus 4. Since this example has all positive coefficients, there are no sign changes, which means there are no positive real zeros. So now we're going to find the possibility of negative real zeros. So we're going to plug in negative x in for all the x's. So that's going to give us negative x cubed plus 2x squared minus 5x plus 4. Now we look at sign changes. We go from a negative to a positive, positive to a negative to a positive. So that means we have 3 negative real zeros, or we do the number of sign changes minus a positive even number. So we do 3 minus 2, which would equal 1. So there are 3 negative real zeros, or there is 1 negative real zero.